Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Airdrop Income Tech. Hope everyone is doing well. So friends, our most important thing in memefi mining project is Wallet Connect. Because if you want to take payment, you must create a wallet. And the option of Wallet Connect is already here. Now you can complete the task of Wallet Connect here. So in today's video I will show you how to create a wallet here. We are working on many other projects, but there is no need to create wallet. You just connected the wallet directly there. For example, Trust Wallet, Ton Wallet, etc. But instead of connecting your wallet for memefi, you have to create wallet here. In the beginning, you will be given 12 words passphrase, and only through that you will be able to recover the wallet later, and you can import to other Web3 wallets. Now let me show you that. How to create your wallet here. At first, you will come inside Memefi Mining. After coming, you will click on Wallet option. Then notice at this point, Memefi is partnering with Linea blockchain. So it is said in this place, Memefi token listing is coming. So here is the Create Wallet option, click here. Then you will notice at this place, 12-word passphrase is given. But these passphrases must be copied from here, kept in a saved place and cannot be shared with anyone. As you can see, I am not showing the passphrases in the video. Then you have to click on Copy to Clipboard option. If you click it, the passphrase will be copied. Then save them in a good place. After saving, click on Saved and Continue option here. Then you will be brought inside the wallet. So here you can see the Memefi token. If you click on Memefi, you will notice that both deposit and withdraw options are showing here. However, there is one thing written here, that is, when this Memefi token is listed on the exchanger, you can deposit and withdraw it. Another thing is if you forget to save the passphrases while creating the wallet, then click on the Setting option, then copy it by clicking on the Copy to Clipboard option. So friends, I hope you have understood the whole thing clearly. Then later, how to pocket money from here, the whole process video will be uploaded on this channel. To get those videos, definitely subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. Link is given in description and first comment. So for now, everyone will be healthy and well. See you in the next video. Thanks everyone.